Waruguru ogete gutire na ibenya ria gukorwo na mutaratara mweru wa kithomo kuona ciana ikoretwo ikithoma kithomo gia tene gukwa kiuga ni wega ministry ri kimibango yothe niguo riri kithomo kieru gikambiriria gitigakorwo na mibinga o yothe.
Andu matikwenda mathogothanio ni twitikirio 2020 tukonio tugakorwo tukiadapt curriculum njeru nigetha ambunge mahote gukorwo magithurima curriculum iyo ona ciari na arutwo ona raia in general nigetha tu adopt kindu kimwe gigukorwo gigitikirwo ni Kenyans othe iguru rigi githomo.
Riri ndereti ya mutaratara mweru wa kithomo irathi na mbere na kubyubia ciande cia Kenya. Gikundi kia arimu ma nasari ni maikitie mateta makiuga matiuragio mawoni mao riria ministry iratuma bata megi kithomo.
We want to register our disappointment because so far we can see the new curriculum has failed. It has failed because the CS failed to involve us directly.
Vamwe na uguo arimu aya ni muigite kuringana na mathina maria makoretwo kuo na ngucanio kithomo-ini thirikari itiagiriirwo ni kureta mutaratara uyu ona mwaka wa 2020 ta uria kuratuika.
It is too early for the curriculum to be implemented as early as 2020. Let the CS education with all the stakeholders sit down, deconstruct all those things and begin afresh. Let the teachers, the classroom teacher, be involved from ward level, sub-county, county, up to national level.
So I'm telling the government, take it serious. More so the president. Can you stand firm? Can you make a follow-up to through your Department of Education?
Undu uyu ukite uriri kamiti iri yathuritwo niguo kurora maundu maria marabatara gukorwo mekitwo mbere ya mutaratara uyu wambiriirie. Yugite imwe cia ibingi iria iratumire mwaka ungi wongerero ni kwaga mubango mukinyaniru utabariri-ini wao. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Masi Wadia wa Muriithi.